Good afternoon to our respected judges and my peers. I am standing in front of you to tell something on the topic of AI, potential and concern. So first of all, we have to know that what is AI. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks and that typically require human intelligence. Examples of AI in daily life. Artificial intelligence is an integral part of our lives, enhancing convenience, efficiency, and decision making across various domains. Brief history of artificial intelligence. In 1950s, birth of modern AI field was happening. Alan Turing proposed Turing test to evaluate machine intelligence, and John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. In 1986, knowledge-based computer systems were initiated in India. From 1950s to till now, many more developments had happened, such as ChatGPT by OpenAI, which creates human-like interaction. Potential of AI. AI can be used for various situations, but these are some examples of AI in our daily life, like weather prediction, social media and chatbots, smart cities transportation, virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, education and environment, e-commerce, smart assistants, medical science, navigation apps, facial recognition, language translation, and friendly offices. This model has been used in a variety of applications including text summarization, language translation, conversation generation and others. Not only AI has its potential, it has also concerns related to artificial intelligence. Ethical concerns, socio-environmental concerns, safety concerns and economic concerns. Bias and discrimination. AI system can perpetuate existing biases. Privacy. AI data collection and analysis leads to privacy concerns. Accountability. Lack of understanding of responsibility for AI decisions. Transparency. Lack of understanding of AI decision making process. And at last, autonomous vehicles. AI powered vehicles can reach to ethical concerns. Socio-environmental concerns. There are many pressing issues as far as AI was concerned, such as job displacement, social isolation, over-dependence on technology, and environmental concerns such as heavy consumption of energy, e-waste management, climatic change, cyber security, and deep tech. And safety concerns. Despite offering many good things, there are some serious safety concerns such as unpredictable behavior of AI and low quality training data sets, security breaches, and problem in handling big data. And at last, economic concerns. Exacerbate income inequality, intellectual property rights, and disrupt traditional businesses, exorbitant cost to maintain and develop AI. At last, my conclusion. The journey towards AI is still uncertain, but the risks posed both by malicious use of AI and inadvertent harm from bad systems are real. Striking a balance between innovation and regulation is necessary to ensure responsible AI development. Countries must actively engage in discussions and establish a framework that safeguards societal interests while harnessing the potential for its development. At last, I will conclude my presentation by the next picture so that you can think about it. I want AI to do my laundry and dishes so that I can do art and writing. Not for AI to do my art and writing so that I can do my laundry and dishes. Thank you.